former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, has said that he was detained at the Lucknow airport today and it prevented from boarding a small chartered plane to attend a Students' Union event in Prayagraj at the Allahabad University. The action by the administration triggered a livid reaction from Akhilesh and an angry protest also by the Samajwadi Party workers in Prayagraj. He addressed a press conference also and slammed the Yogi Adityanath government over this issue, said, "What are they afraid of? My record is clean. I have never caused any trouble anywhere." But let's just take a look at that video first, which actually shows him being physically stopped by an official, and he says, "Haath mat lagao."
नहीं कागज दीजिए ना कागज दीजिए कैंसिल। सरकार कागज पे चलती है, बातों से नहीं चलती है। मैं दिखाइए नहीं कागज प्रिंट आउट दिए, इसलिए मैं प्रिंट आउट लाया हुई। देखिए प्रिंट आउट क्या है।
मुझे दुख है इस बात का कि जिन छात्रों ने बहुत तैयारी की थी और कई दिनों से लगातार तैयारी कर करके उस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होकर के और हमें भी मौका मिलता अपनी बात रखने का, लेकिन सरकार का मन साफ नहीं रहा, सरकार की नीयत साफ नहीं रही। उत्तर प्रदेश की पुलिस एयरपोर्ट के परिसर में नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट की परिसर की सुरक्षा और उसका इंतजाम करने की जिम्मेदारी दूसरी फोर्स के पास है। लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी सरकार की ताकत देखो आप। वो जाकर के अधिकारी, जब मैं हवाई जहाज में चढ़ने जा रहा था उस समय उन्होंने रोक लिया। आप कुछ बोलना चाहें, किसी के बीच में जाना चाहें नहीं बोल सकते, हवाई जहाज से जाना चाहें नहीं जा सकते, सड़क से जाना चाहें नहीं जा सकते। इसलिए घबराई हुई सरकार है, केवल नौजवानों की ताकत से घबराई हुई है। और अभी तो नौजवान इंतजार कर रहा है कि कब उसे मौका मिलेगा इस सरकार को सबक सिखाने का।
All right, let's go across to Alok for more. And Alok, very angry Akhilesh Yadav and those shocking videos really from the airport, which shows that you know the police and the official were waiting for him to arrive. Then they immediately surrounded him and prevented him from getting onto the flight. And the chief minister has claimed that there were fears that his visit could have triggered some trouble at Allahabad University at a time when the Kumbh is on in Prayagraj.
Well, there are two or three things, Gargi. First of all, there's a bit of politics to it. Because in 2015, when Akhilesh Yadav was the chief minister and Yogi Adityanath was the BJP lawmaker from Gorakhpur, he similarly could not get into the Allahabad University because of sustained protests from the Students' Union or parts of the Students' Union. At that point, it used to be headed by Richa Singh, who then fought an election on a SP ticket in the 2017 assembly elections. So perhaps some could argue that Yogi is doing to Akhilesh what was done to him earlier. Either way, the government says that we wrote a letter, the Allahabad University wrote a letter to Akhilesh's office advising him not to come and saying that they did not want the atmosphere of the university to be vitiated by the presence of any political leader. Akhilesh says that, look, you know, at the end of the day, I have the right to go there and you cannot stop me at the Lucknow airport and the police cannot get inside the tarmac and actually physically prevent me from going. He also alleged that from 6 a.m. in the morning, there were 3 or 4 policemen who were at the gates of his residence in Lucknow. And as soon as he left, they had informed their superiors. And you did see that confrontation happening at the airport. So certainly a political slugfest out there. And with Akhilesh insisting that he was well within his rights to go, while the BJP government saying that he is trying to derive political advantage out of it.